Good morning. Today we're doing another science experiment. This time we're going to dissolve Lifesavers candies in different types of liquid, different amounts of liquid. First of all, we want to start with our measurements and our liquids. This bottle is dry, mostly. There's some drops in there. This bottle has too much water in it. This bottle has too little water in it. And these bottles all have 1 cup of water in them. W is for water, S is for sugar water, V is for vinegar water. I used a measuring cup to measure exactly 1 cup for each of these 3 bottles, so we can control part of the experiment that way. And I've used a measuring spoon to measure the vinegar and sugar water, 8 tablespoons of each, and then water added to make 1 cup. But they're all the same level. Same level. Same amount. And another thing we can control with this experiment is the candies. We could use different colors of candy in the water to dissolve them, or we could use the same color. Or we could also break up the candy. If we're wanting to control as much as we can about the variables of our experiment, we want to use the same things to dissolve. We're going to use 3 red candies. The reason is the other candies may have different ingredients because they're different color. And that may affect how fast they dissolve. And the reason we're not going to use broken up candies, we're going to use whole candies, is because the broken up candies are already partially broken down. And so that maybe could speed up the process. Well, I don't know, we're going to experiment. So I'm going to put some candies. These 3 candies will go in the ones that are controlled. The 1 cup measurements of vinegar, sugar water, and plain water. And then I'm going to experiment over here with these other ones. I'm going to put some different colored ones and some different levels of water, plain water, and see if that affects the experiment. Okay, so let's make some predictions. Which do you think will dissolve faster? And which will not dissolve at all? Dissolve means that the candy will disappear into the water. It'll become part of the water. And we'll know